Hello, this is Andre from the Information Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can use a parameter to swap between sheets. So what is the issue here? The issue is that we have a really nice visual, so we have these awesome looking donuts, but at the same time we want to look at the data that sits behind these donut charts. So as you can see, I have this dashboard that already has this filter, so now I can swap between donuts and my data. So let's see how I build this. First of all, this data set is the world indicators data. It's the default data set delivered with Tableau. And I'm going to use the internet usage. So the internet usage is the percentage of people that have internet in a particular country. And I'm going to use donut chart, and I want to show the percentage of people that have internet. But in a donut chart we need the full 100%, so we first need to make a quick calculation. So we create a calculated field. We call this the percentage of no internet, which is basically a calculation saying 1, which is 100%, minus the internet usage field that's in the data. Our calculation is valid. Hit apply. OK. So let's see. We want to show our the internet usage per region. So let's drag region in the view, select internet usage, but also our calculated field which we created called percentage of no internet. Drag this into the view, change the aggregation in our measures shelf to an average, and now you can see the percentage, the internet percentage in a particular region in the world. In this data set I want to filter on the most recent year, so I drag here to the filters, go to years and select 2012. Cool, so now I have 2012 in the view, and as you can see the internet usage in Europe was, for example, 70%, but I want to show this in a nice looking donut jar. So what do? First of all, let's drag measure names into the mark shelf. Let's get rid of region for the time being. Change the marks from automatic to apply. Cool. Now we drag the measure names, control or command drag to color, and we also need the measure values to be on the angle. Excellent. At the moment we can get rid of the labels because I will not use them in this visual. So let's drag measure values out of the view. Excellent. So now I have now I'm showing the percentage of people that have no internet and the percentage of people that have internet. The next step will be to create a nice donut chart. So what a pie chart with a missing hole. So how can we build donut charts in Tableau? Is basically dual accessing a pie chart. So let's make a dual axis pie chart. So we can do that by doing the average of 0 and duplicating that one. So we have two pie charts. Then we need to remove the include 0 mark actually on both axes. Hit OK. Then we need to dual axis them. So we're back to 1, but we're gonna use 1 for the donut. What we then need to do is go to format and actually remove some of the we need to go to lines. Yeah, and we need to remove the 0 lines because I don't really like them. Excellent. So now you can see we have two pie charts, but they're sitting on top of each other. So what we need to do is we need to remove the measure names from the color. So now you can see, and we need to remove the measure values from angle. Now you will see what happens. So if we make this pie chart a little bit smaller, you can see a little hole appears, which is our nice donut. So if we then change the color to white and it blends in the background, so now you can see we have one donut chart. So let's hide the headers. Excellent. Let's actually make this one a little bit smaller. There we go. Cool. Now we have the now we have one donut chart, but we want to have the donut charts per region. So let's drag region into columns. So now we have all our regions in the view in the data set. So let's fit this to my screen. Excellent. So now we can see over here. So for example, Africa. The average of no internet is like 87%. Cool. Let's also change the colors. So the internet usage needs to stand out. So let's keep that red. Change that to grayish. Hit apply. Flip this over. Yeah. Cool. Let's put region actually into our into the donut chart. Drag region onto the label. Change the label to put in the middle of the view. Change the size to like 16. Excellent. So now we have our internet usage by region in the year of 2012. Let's remove the headers over here as well. Cool. But now you can observe what's going on, but you don't see the underlying data. So let's create a cross tab. So actually first rename this to a donut. Then right click, duplicate this cross tab. Now Tableau automatically generates a new sheet which has our data. Let's add our region header over here. We can take the average of 0, which we use for the dual axis, out of the measures value shelf. Let's remove it. Yeah. Cool. Let's name this to numbers. And here's where actually the fun starts, because now we're going to create a parameter. So create parameter. This parameter is going to be used to flip between these donuts and numbers we created. So let's call this show data by, and data type in this instance is string, the list, and now we type in the sheet names. So for example, type in donuts, and then we type in numbers. Okay, now our parameter shows up. Use the parameter control, and as always, we first need a calculation to make a parameter work in Tableau. So create calculated field, and this is a really easy calculation, which is just show data by calc, which basically only contains our parameter, which is show data by. Hit apply. Then the second step is to put this calculation, show data by, into our filters and go to the custom value list. And now we need to add, besides donut, also all, and hit apply. Do the same for numbers. Drag in the show data by calculation, go to custom value list, add in numbers, and also add in all again. Hit plus, apply. Now you can see the my view changed. So let's show our parameter control. And now click on numbers, and as you can see, it shows up again. Excellent. My region header disappeared again. Okay, let's put that back. Cool. So now we have two sheets, donut and numbers. So let's set the parameter on donuts, and then we want to create a dashboard, and the dashboard needs to flip between the donut and my numbers. So the first thing we have to do is drag in a container. So it doesn't matter, drag in, for example, a vertical container. Put in the donuts. We can get rid of the legends. Let's get rid of the title, high title. And then also drag in numbers. Put that in the same container. Hide the title. And now if you, let's put a parameter on top. It's a little bit bigger. And now if you flip to numbers, the numbers will show up. Let's make this fit to the entire view. And go to donuts, and we do the same. I think this is already, yeah, it's already in the entire view. So now as you can see, I have my donuts here. but I don't have any labels in here. I only see visuals, and then if I flip to numbers, my numbers show up. So I hope this is quite helpful for you. I hope you learned anything. See you in the next video.